I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. I'm heading to meet cookbook author Emily Richards, who's going to share her recipe for a classic Italian dish.
I'm Emily Richards, a cookbook author, professional home economist, lover of food. Grew up in an Italian family. My grandmother made pasta and bread and sauce. I remember being at the kitchen table, helping make pasta, and she wasn't worried about what it looked like. It was just kind of being there together. There's so many Italian traditions that bring us together and strengthens the relationship with food and hugely with family.
I've cooked Italian my whole career. It is my favorite food.
Mine too.
I mean, I get that. So tell me, what are we gonna cook today and who's coming over?
We are doing a turkey scallopini with homemade tomato sauce, and we're gonna share it with my mom, my sister, and her partner, Chris. So we're gonna have a fabulous dinner.
Walk me through how we do this, and let's talk turkey here.
So we start with the turkey breast. So what I'm gonna do first, I like to put my knife on a slight angle.
Okay.
And then just kind of run it along the turkey breast. In the end, we want them all to be about the same thickness so that they cook up at the same rate, okay?
And so there's no fights at the dinner table.
That's right. So we get about 6 pieces of turkey. First thing I want to do is take one of the small ones. So I have a nice flat mallet, so just a nice light pound. So yours is a bit thicker, so see how it's thinning out
So
here?
it's thinning out here, so I should pound more here, kind of, right?
Yeah.
And you almost pound in a direction.
You can, for sure. There we go. That's a good size scallopini
Thank you,
right there.
thank you.
The next step is breading it. So let's bread it up. We're gonna start off with all-purpose flour and salt and pepper. That's perfect.
Okay.
Crack the egg.
Okay.
Add a little bit of water. Okay.
Beautiful.
So then we're gonna add our Italian seasoned breadcrumbs.
Nice.
Real Parmesan.
Reggiano. And you save some.
And I saved some. I'm gonna sprinkle some on later.
Oh, gotcha.
And then I'm gonna add some oregano. I grew it.
Oh, wow.
We dry it. I don't know if you knew, but the furnace in your house is actually to dry herbs. It's not, it's not to heat your house.
So some goes into the breadcrumb as well.
Yes, so I just put a teaspoon
Can I put some in here? Why the heck not?
Let's
Here.
definitely do that. So season our scallopini. And if you wanted to, you could put a little salt and pepper. Oh, nice air movement.
I'm going high.
I love it.
I'm going high.
I hope
See
you're
that?
gonna clean the counter later.
No, not.
All right, then let's do the other side.
Okay.
Perfect.
Salt, pepper on each side.
Yes. Do you want to be in charge of flour?
I can be flour guy.
Okay, you be
I
flour
can
guy.
Flour guy. And then, whoop.
Then you flip it. So both sides really well.
How long in advance could I do the breading of the meat?
About 4 hours. So if I'm making it for a large crowd, you can do that the morning of.
Oh.
And then you can pop them in the frying pan.
Cool tip.
This is that really thicker one.
That'll be mine.
All right, so we're all done breading.
Perfect.
Just like that. And the next stage is pan frying them.
Beautiful.
The pan's heating up. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Don't overfill the pan. Maybe we'll get 2 in here. Let's aim for 2 or maybe 3.
You don't want to overcrowd it.
No. Can you smell it already? It's the cheese.
It's
and
the cheese in there
breadcrumbs.
that's waking up.
That's right. It's gonna start to get that nice kind of golden brown around the edge, and that's when we're gonna turn it.
Gotcha.
Okay? After pan frying them, we're gonna bake them.
Oh.
Okay? And we're gonna use my homemade tomato sauce.
Let's have a taste. Those are
Pretty
good
good, eh?
tomatoes.
They are.
Those are good tomatoes.
And great oregano. So we have to get back to
I
the
can hear those,
scallopini.
yeah.
Can you hear that? So I can tell just by looking at the edges, so I'm gonna give it a flip. Look at that color, isn't that gorgeous?
Wow.
Okay, so we just wanna get that same deep brown color on
Yeah.
this side, and then we're gonna put them in our casserole dish. So we want a nice even layer of sauce on the
okay.
bottom to start. And then I'm gonna start layering our scallopini in here, just like that. So, but
Great.
are you a saucy guy? I think
I'm
you're
very
a saucy guy. So why don't we put a little bit more on here? And then I'm gonna do these last couple of scallopini. Here comes another layer.
More sauce.
Don't be stingy with the sauce.
I'm not being
Come
stingy. I'm
on.
not being stingy. I'm trying to be an artist. More Parmigiano on top.
It's ready for the oven.
ready for the oven.
Perfect. So it goes into the oven at 350, about 15, 20 minutes until it's nice and bubbly.
Oh.
The sauce is bubbly, nice and golden brown
Look
on
at the
top.
color.
There we
Oh
are.
my gosh, it's kind of bubbling in the corners here. We put some parsley here,
Yes,
kind of just
some Italian parsley.
some
flat leaf
Italian parsley. We'll just kind of tuck some in the corner here.
Yes.
Can we take it to the table?
Yes,
eat?
let's take it.
Let's go.
take it.
Wow, look at that.
Yard.
Looks great. Shall we?
Let's dig in.
Does Shahir get the big turkey scallopini
Please.
on top?
Yes.
Starving. Can I put more parm
Yes,
on top?
put lots of
Is that what this
parm
is here
on it.
for? Getting some sauce out here, some cheese. The sauce is amazing. It's tender.
Now just imagine the leftovers for tomorrow in a sandwich.
I want to see if your mom approves.
As we say.
What's this?
con gusto.
Con gusto, meaning good. This is standard. Emily, I want to thank you for having me over. I had a blast dining with all of you. Well, I did. I learned a lot and had a great time. Thank you for a great meal.
A cent'anni.
A cent'anni. Cheers.